Everybody seems to learn either the easy way or the hard way that backups are important. My wish for you is you'll learn the easy way to make backups. And if you've already lost all your family photos or important documents or something else, my heart goes out to you. The same happened to me, and I am locked into making backups. I do mine every 15 minutes online, and then I also back up every night, a complete system backup. Now, the simplest way to make backups is to copy your important files onto a memory stick, external hard drive, some other piece of media that's not in your computer. So that way, if all the data gets erased or destroyed on your computer, you still have a safety copy of the files. Another way is to move those files out of your home completely, out onto the internet. There are some security concerns here, but if you're with a good service, hopefully they can take care of those concerns. And that way, if someone breaks in and they steal all of your drives and your computer, you still will have access to your data. That's a nice thing. The other kind of backup that I'm really excited about, and it's my favorite kind of backup, is called an image backup. The image backup not only backs up your data files, which of course are important, but an image backup also backs up all of your programs, all the patches for those programs, your operating system, the patches for your operating system. It basically backs up everything on your computer. The advantage to this is, for example, as much as I travel, frequently my laptop will get jostled around, and there have been occasions that the computer just won't boot. Everything is totally shot on the hard drive. All I have to do is get out my image backup and restore the machine, and I'm up and running completely again within usually 20 minutes to an hour, depending on which of the computers it is and how much data is stored. And that's a lot faster than if you just had your data backed up, because now I would have to install the operating system, I'd have to install all the applications, then I could restore the data. And that doesn't include the time to apply all the patches and catch up everything else on the machine. So image backups are really, really nice if you ever have to restore. Another thing that's important to think about is encrypting your backups. So if somebody else ever gets hold of the media, they're not going to be able to access the data that's stored on that media. And most of the good backup programs today give you a way that you can encrypt that information. And then the last item is be sure and test your restore process regularly. It's so crucial. Whenever you think you're backed up, but then you have a failure, you need to restore a file and you can't restore it, that's a terrible sinking feeling because here you thought you were doing everything right. If you want to do everything right, make backups, test your restores, and enjoy computing safely.